My name is Karolina Sikala and I work at the Green Academy since 2017 and I work on different EU projects. So my main task is to apply for different EU projects, mainly Erasmus+, Nord+, and facilitate the good collaboration with different partners all over the world. Welcome to Green Academy. In Danish, our name is Aarhus Center and we are located 20 minutes south from Aarhus. At the Green Academy, we offer different professions: landscaping, gardening, horticulture, farm machinery operators, different professions related to agriculture. We have also floristry, forestry, zookeeping, and also lifelong learning. We offer different courses. We also do different international projects. We are very active in Erasmus plus Key Action 1. We are sending abroad around 120 students and around 50 employees. And at the same time, we are receiving around 400 international students that are coming here to learn more about animal welfare, sustainability, urban greening, you name it. We try to do our best, but mainly by making our teachers up to date, to be smarter, so then when they go back to the class, they can teach our students about sustainability and also make them more aware of the changing world and the changing climate. So, of course, it's only one step to do something about it, but I think it's very important, because when we increase the awareness, then they can reflect and they can think how to make it world more sustainable in the future. We also try to give different good examples about making our buildings sustainable. We use solar panels. We also try to use green roofs to increase the biodiversity. We also try to use different systems to save the energy. We also try to cut the food chain, so when we produce something in our greenhouse, we'll just use it in our canteen. So by showing them small examples, they can reflect and be aware of it. Sometimes the students do not believe in sustainability, organic farming, so this is also the main obstacle. But we need to make sure that we will show them the evidence, that they can really reflect and see what is good, what is bad. I would say also it's important that the teachers are involved in different projects, not only national but also EU or worldwide projects, so they can really see what is going on in different countries. They can really improve their skills and competences and teach the students, and they can convince them that the sustainability is not only a big word, it's also possible to do the changes. Remember to be open-minded. When the people calling you would like to visit you, make the door open for them, because you just think about spending time and wasting time. No, always when you have a guest, you will be smarter and you can build your new network. So be open-minded, start different projects, start with the small ones, and then you will build your network. This type of collaboration takes time, so you will not have a lot of projects from the start, but when you start step by step, you will end with many different projects, partners, and they will contribute for your own development and your organization development. So do not close down the doors, keep it open and make a lot of new friends.